Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Hello, people. This is how you make a flying machine. Why did it... Okay, so first, copy the blocks in my inventory. The Prismarine is completely optional, but you need to get a sticky piston, a observer, and a slide block. Now I'll show you the crafting recipes right now. This is how you craft an observer. This is how you craft a sticky piston. And this is how you craft a slide block. You're gonna need about... And I'll show you what you need just now. These are all the blocks you need. You'll need 4 slide blocks, 2 observers, and 2 sticky pistons, and 1 block of your choice. I chose Prismarine. So first, you're going to start with 2 slide blocks like this. And then, you're going to place an observer. An observer like this. Make sure the arrow is facing the sticky piston that you're going to place. Then, place 2 slide blocks right in front of those, and do the same thing on the other side. So, like this. Oh god. I don't think I can cut that out. Like this. And then like this. And after you do that, you place a block. You place a block where on the opposite way. You place a block where the opposite way of where you wanted to go. And then you got this. This thing. The flag machine. You got a flag machine. Also, if you want, you could place a... Or maybe don't place a minecart. Maybe don't do that.